Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs Royale. Begin by preparing hollandaise on a double boiler and whisk gently until thick and glossy. Poach eggs in barely simmering water with a splash of vinegar for 3 to 4 minutes for runny yolks. Toast English muffins and layer smoked salmon, then top with eggs and hollandaise, seasoning with lemon and black pepper to taste. In this video, I will show how to make eggs Royale. Crack eggs into separate cups and slide them gently into simmering water to avoid damage. Keep the water just below a boil and stir once to create a gentle whirlpool if needed to keep whites wrapped. Use a slotted spoon to lift eggs onto a paper towel briefly before assembling, which removes excess water for a neater presentation and better hollandaise adhesion. In this video, I will show how to make eggs Royale. Separate yolks and whisk them with a squeeze of lemon over gentle heat while slowly streaming melted butter to create an emulsion. Keep the sauce warm but not hot, and taste for balance with salt and a pinch of cayenne. If it gets too thick, whisk in a teaspoon of warm water until smooth, then hold it in a warm spot until plating time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.